YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're going to be playing with some makeup. So if you want to see how I created this look, just stay tuned. So let's get started. I'm going to start by priming the eyes, and I'm just using some Maybelline concealer. This is the Better Skin Super Stay Concealer in M400, which is medium deep. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Make sure our shadows have something to stick to, okay? Have that on there. Now we're going to go into our Color Festival palette by BH Cosmetics, which I am liking this palette, which I just found it like last week, but I do like it so far. And so I'm gonna go into this Chic color and I'm gonna put that in my crease. It's gonna be really, really pretty. As you see, it's a nice color for, a nice transition color for my skin tone. But here we go. Put that in the crease. And then I think next I am gonna go into this color Pop, which is this like lavender purpley shade, purpley pink, and just kind of put that in my crease as well, but not too far up because I want to put on a shimmer. So I'm gonna put that in there. You don't want to go too far up. We're just gonna put it right there, give it some color. And this does have some fallout, you guys, but the palette was only $11 for 20 shadows, so that's not bad. So there is a little fallout to be expected, but it's not like super bad. Alright, so next I'm going to go into this color Queen right here. It's like a purpley shimmer shade, and just put that all over my eye. My lid. As you see, it blends really nice with that pop. So this color, you just like when you're putting the color on your lid, especially shimmer, just pack that on very nicely. And we're pretty much almost done, y'all. Alright, that looks good. So I'm going to take my pointer brush and I'm going to take that Chic color and I'm going to put this on my bottom lash line. Then go into that Pop on top of that, and yeah. Just kind of put that in the middle and the outside. So that blends real nicely. Alright, so that looks good. So I'm just going to line my eyes and yeah, pretty much just get that done so that way I can get my lashes on, y'all. Jeffree Star mirror, and I'm taking my Il Milkage eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna pop my lashes on now that I got my liner on. It's not the greatest, but hey, got it on. Stick our lash glue. I'm gonna line my bottom lash line, and I'm gonna be using the Hank & Henry. I got this in one of my subscription boxes, and I really do like it, so. So this is the completed eye look. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, and I'm very pleased with how the look came out. Super, super cute. I am loving this palette. It's super fun and pretty, especially with just being in the house and everything going on. I wanted to play with makeup because it puts me in a happy place when I get dressed up, you know, do my hair, my makeup, and put on a nice little outfit. Even though I'm not going anywhere, it makes me feel better inside. In the past couple days, I've been kind of down with everything going on, so I needed to pick me up, so I wanted to play with makeup with you guys. So this is the look. I hope that you guys like this. What do you guys think? I know I do a lot of purple looks. I am going to start doing more colorful. I think I want to do a rainbow look next. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a rainbow look next. So yes, this is definitely cute and pretty, and I'm very pleased. I hope that you guys are staying safe out there and just staying in the house and staying protected, keeping your hands washed, and staying your 6 feet if you do have to go out for any essentials or anything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And you know, until next time, just stay fly and shine, and we'll get through this together, you guys. Bye, you guys.